Hello guys, it's a very nice and sunny day today on Sunday, March the 26th, and spring is here, and I just want to give you another update on my koi pond. Now it's nice and clear, so we should be able to see down to the bottom of the pond and to see if any fish left over. The last time I looked, there was nothing left over, so as today I just want to show you. All right, as you can see, all the snow is gone from the pond. There's some left over here, so that is a good sign. Spring is here and summer's on the way. All right, so the water is still clear, and you can see that my buffalo is still running, but I see no sign of fish. No sign of fish at all. Well, nothing, folks. No fish. I'm not sure if there's any inside the cave there, but nothing I can see from outside here. Nothing over there. Usually for this time of the year I should be able to spot them down at the bottom. Unfortunately, there's none down there. Nothing. Too much reflection from the sun, but no fish, folks. No survivor. No survivor for the minks. I don't know any fries survive, but I don't see any sign of them. Oh God. Well, I think I will have to start over again in May with a new batch of fish. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye for now.